In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Flexboxes in Wix Studio. First, open your site in Wix Studio so you are inside the editor and ready to work on the page where you want to add your layout. Flexboxes are a great option when you want a responsive design that adjusts neatly across different screen sizes. So they are especially useful for building clean, modern sections without having to manually position every single element. Once your site is open, go to the top left corner of the Wix Studio editor and click the Add Elements icon. This is where you'll find the building blocks for your page. From there, navigate to Layout Tools and then select Flexboxes. You will find Flexboxes under the Advanced section. So if you don't see them right away, just keep scrolling until that category appears. Next, choose a layout preset that fits what you are trying to create. For example, you might use columns for a simple side-by-side layout, mosaic for a more dynamic arrangement, or bricks if you want a structured grid-like look. When you find the one you want, drag it directly onto your canvas and place it where it makes the most sense on your page. Now let's talk about adding and managing items inside the Flexbox. A Flexbox is made up of individual responsive containers, and these automatically resize to fill the available space. That means your layout stays flexible and more adaptable as the screen changes. If you want to add a new item, click the Add Item button directly on the canvas. You can also use the Manage Items panel in the inspector if you prefer working from the side panel. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels easier. If you need to rearrange the order of items, select the Flexbox and use the arrow buttons in the inspector. This is a simple way to move items around without manually dragging them, which helps keep your layout more precise. To place content inside the Flexbox, click Add Elements from the left panel and choose the type of element you want, such as a heading, paragraph, or button. Drag that element onto the Flexbox. And when you see the attach prompt, release it. That prompt confirms the element will be locked into that specific Flex item, which is important for keeping everything organized and responsive. Finally, adjust the width and height from the inspector as needed. For example, setting the width to max content can help the container hug your text more closely, which is useful when you want a tighter, cleaner fit. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.